Hi there guys, this is Tian again here from Smith Speed. Hope you all are having a lovely day today. I am certainly having a beautiful day, as you can see, here in the Western Cape Gordons Bay. This is the coastal road. Like I said in my previous video, I'm off to Kleinmond to go see my friend, the auto electrician, to wire up my headlights the same as the thousands. Like I said in the previous video, if you haven't seen it, basically with this bike the dims comes on, and then as soon as you bright, the dims die and only the one headlight is on, which is really annoying. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to him. I bought a 30 Rand Bosch relay. They are going to wire it up for me so that the dims stay on permanently, and as soon as you hit high beam, basically both lights are on at the same time basically. Which obviously on the road increases visibility quite a bit at night, and it just looks a lot better. So you guys are also going to meet my friend Delaray most likely. He's also there. He's the reason, well, he's actually the guy that I rode on my first Honda CBR. That's why I like these bikes so much. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a nice day. Please bear with me. Like I said also on the previous video, I won't be doing a ride along video on the coastal road. I'm very sad about that, unfortunately. I would have loved to show you guys how beautiful it is here today, but I don't have the equipment just yet, so please bear with me. I promise I will get the right stuff and I will do a nice ride along video. So please just bear with me. So I'll just basically cut where I am in Kleinmond, and then yeah, we can get started with that wiring. Thank you very much. Alright guys, we are here in Kleinmond at Kleinmond Auto Electrician, that guy I told you about. Here's Mr. Delaray, the guy that I rode on the CBR the first time. And yeah, we're just busy doing the lights. It's about 20 minutes or so. See some wiring. The end of the day, very long day. I had to get the bike through roadworthy today, get it registered and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it was quite a long and hot day. Luckily everything is done though. This is just a small comparison just to show you guys how it basically looks at the end of the day now. I got a nice dark spot here to show you guys. Yeah, basically the bulbs in this bike is completely standard. Nothing has been changed, so it's the standard halogen bulbs. That will definitely be changing. You can see even the number plate light is that really ugly yellow light. The gauge lights, everything is that yellow. I hate yellow lights. You will also probably see that throughout my channel. Any light I can change to a bright white LED light, that will definitely be happening. So yeah, that is the stock halogen bulb basically. So that is dims. So obviously, like I said, if you do brights, then this light would have died and only the high beams would have been on, and I can already tell it is a huge difference once on the road. So I'll just quickly put on high beam. I hope you guys can see it on the video. So that is basically high beams. So now both lights are on actually. Dim, high beams, dim. The bike is actually standing skew. Let me just get on it to give you a better idea. Alright, so that's dim, high beams, dim, high beams. Yeah, it's hard to see on the video, but it makes a night and day difference, especially if you now that you have both lights on. So I will be changing out these headlights in the future to LEDs. This is actually 8.7 bulbs that are in their standard, so I'll be changing them to LEDs 8.7s. Definitely these guys will be changed to LEDs also, and like I said, white. Oop, you guys get this focus there for a second. There we go. So yeah, like I said, if you guys can please just subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate that very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I forgot to mention the guy who actually did the wiring. I just called his company Kleinmond Auto Electrical, but the guy who actually does it is called Clive. We just call him Clive because I'm Afrikaans, and that's basically what we call him. He's a really nice guy. He only charged me 200 bucks to do that. excluding the relay. I got the relay for like 36 bucks or so. But yeah, very nice guy. He's been doing it for over 20 years, so he definitely knows what he's doing. So if you have any problems electrical wise and you're in that area, trust me, that's the guy to help you. Yeah guys, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, and then I can't wait to do the complete LED conversion. What I was thinking was, at the start I was just going to sort of, you can't see it now in the video, but there's a back panel around the gauges, take that off, then you can barely get your hand in there to work on the headlight bulbs. But I decided I'm gonna completely take off that front nose with the entire light housing. Then I can just make it nice and neat, because the LEDs has like a ballast at the back, so I need to sort of just route the wires nice and neat. No one's gonna see it, but I like to do that, just a few small details, and then you guys can see it. And then for sure, obviously I'll do a before and after, like this old yellow halogen bulbs definitely need to go. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. See you guys later.